You will need to get it out of the tin and roll it up while it's still warm. Leave it to cool down and it will crack. So you can sprinkle some caster sugar or icing sugar on your parchment paper. I like to use a little bit of oil spray. Tilt your pan on the parchment paper and just flip it upside down. You're going to leave about 1 centimeter between the end of your roulade and the parchment paper. So leave a gap or some space and just very gently peel the parchment paper off. We'll now press down the bottom part of your roll and the top part as well. So bottom and top, press that down. You're going to fold your parchment paper onto the press down edge like that, flatten completely, and then we just lift and drop. So lift and drop like that from the two ends, and just keep rolling and rolling until we get to the end. So this is called training. We're training the roulade and we want it to retain this memory. You will need to leave it to rest on the seam side, so don't leave it like this, otherwise it will unroll itself. So this goes on the side and we'll let it cool down completely. While it's cooling down, we are going to make our pâte de fruit. So quick tidy up of our bench, and we're making our pâte de fruit. So raspberry pâte de fruit.